2 more of those. Big breath in, all together. Very good. Enjoying all you fervent omas there, right to the end. That's good. I like it. Going at your own pace. One more big breath in all together. Now, as our dear Mama Bali, Nusa Dewata, as she rains down her love upon us here this hallowed evening, let's greet her in voice and soul and heart and spirit. So we'll sing to her together. So please repeat after me. Swasti Astu. Swasti Astu. Om Swasti Astu. Om Swasti Astu. Amazing. And then we say thank you very much. And then we say that by Matur. Matur Suksama. Matur Suksama. Matur Suksama. So let's stitch it all together like this. Big breath in. Feeling the wood beneath you, the earth beneath you, and the clouds and the heavens and the rain, the nectar from the gods on the island of the gods, dripping down into your soul and taking a big breath in all together. Om Swasti Astu Matur Suksama. Suksama. Yeah, there we go, all together. Om Swasti Astu Matur Suksama. Matur Suksama. Together. Suksama.